Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Five of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Three of Wands. Person B here has Eight of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I have Page of Swords, which means that there is a little bit of a childlike, immature energy with which either you or your person wants to go ahead and have a conversation with the other person. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Five of Cups, which means you are heartbroken. You feel that everything is lost in this relationship. But in the traditional tarot, if you look at the Five of Cups, it means that there are still those two cups standing, okay, which means that you still have the possibility of reviving this relationship. All that you need to do is just put in a little effort. Now the other two cards that I see for you is the Queen of Swords and the Three of Wands. With Queen of Swords, if this other person comes in to talk to you, they need to go ahead and tell you all the facts and be very honest with you, because if they don't, you will just rip them off. That's the energy that you are in. The next card that I see for you is the Three of Wands. With that energy, you are stuck. You are waiting for your ships to come in because there's something because of which you're stuck in that situation. You're not able to come out of it. Now for person B here, I see they have Eight of Wands, which is the communication card. Maybe this person will go ahead and initiate a conversation. It could be a phone call, a text message, anything, okay, wherein this person will go ahead and try to initiate a conversation. The next card that I see is the Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. That's the marriage commitment card. And the third card that I see here is Six of Swords, which means that there's some kind of a burden that they want to let go of. Now for some of you, there was already a marriage, a commitment that this person was involved with. It has kind of become a burden for them, and that's what they want to go ahead and talk to you about. Now let's also see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is the Strength card, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Chariot card. Now with Strength card, that's Leo energy. This person wants to be very brave and they will put in a lot of strength and courage to deal with this situation. Eventually they will offer you this Ace of Pentacles, which means they want a new start. They want to start small. They'll offer this pentacle to you and see if you take it, and then eventually they would want to build on that pentacle. The next card that I see here is the Chariot card, which is Cancer energy. With this, they want to march forward and ensure that the relationship moves to the next level. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards here. So the message that I see is bring love into the situation, which is the new moon in Aquarius. So maybe you both need to bring in a little bit of love in this situation. If it was too materialistic, if it was too direct, then maybe emotions were lagging, and that's what you need to bring in. Now let's also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is clear quartz. The crystal message is, what is it that you don't understand? Are you missing the point? It is time to gain clarity and have a clearer picture of what is truly going on within and around you. Decide that you want to see the bigger picture. Get focused and stay focused. Meditation and contemplation will help you see the greater perspective from varying points of view. With this, there's also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It helps me to be motivated to create videos for all of you every week. And with this, like I always say, please stay safe. Love yourself first.